You probably use WhatsApp every single day, sending messages, sharing photos. But what if I told you you're only scratching the surface? WhatsApp is packed with incredible hidden features that can supercharge your chats, protect your privacy, and even let you use it like a pro on your computer. Today, I'm revealing 5 game-changing WhatsApp secrets you're probably not using, starting right now. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe now for more videos. To set this up, first, open a web browser on your computer and go to web.whatsapp.com. You'll see a QR code. Now, on your phone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then tap Linked Devices, or WhatsApp Web to Desktop. Tap Link a device and use your phone to scan the QR code on your computer screen. Just like that, all your chats appear on your desktop. This is a game changer for multitasking. Worried about sensitive information lingering in chats? Secret number 2 is disappearing messages. This feature lets you send messages that automatically vanish after a set time, 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. It's perfect for sharing temporary info, or just keeping your chats clutter-free and private. To enable this, tap Account in Settings and go to Privacy. Scroll down, and you'll see Disappearing Messages. Tap on it, and then choose your desired time limit. Once activated, any new messages in that chat will disappear after your chosen duration. Remember, anyone in the chat can disable this setting, so it's best for conversations where everyone is on the same page. We all know the blue ticks mean a message has been read. But what if you want to know exactly when someone read your message, or who in a group chat has seen it, even if you have read receipts turned off globally? Secret number 3 is individual message read receipts. On your phone, simply long press the message you want to check, then tap the Info or I icon at the top. This will show you exactly when your message was delivered and when it was read. In a group chat, it will show you who has read it and who has only received it. This works even if you or they have global read receipts turned off for one-on-one chats, which is a great privacy hack. Are certain groups or contacts constantly buzzing your phone? Secret number 4 is custom notifications and muting individual chats. You can set unique notification sounds for specific people or groups, so you know exactly who's messaging you without even looking at your phone. And if a chat is just too noisy, mute it for an hour, 8 hours, a week, or even forever. To do this, open any chat, tap on the contact's or group's name at the top, scroll down and find Custom Notifications. Here you can choose a unique ringtone or alert sound just for them. Right above that, you'll see Mute Notifications. Tap that and select how long you want to silence that chat. This is a lifesaver for focus. On your phone, just long press any chat you want to pin and then tap the pin icon that appears at the top. You can pin up to 3 chats. On WhatsApp Web, it's just as easy. Right-click on the chat you want to pin and select Pin Chat from the menu. Boom! Instant access to your most important conversations. And there you have it. 5 powerful, often overlooked WhatsApp features that can genuinely change how you use the app. From seamlessly connecting to your computer to instantly finding crucial chats, boosting your privacy, and regaining control over notifications, these tricks are game changers. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more practical tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.